Hey there, future GRE conquerors! Welcome back to another episode of Mastering GRE Vocabulary. Ready to level up your vocab game and impress those GRE examiners? Today I'm diving into a word that's sure to impress the GRE gods, acidulous. This word is not only unique but also quite versatile. So what does acidulous mean? Let's break it down. It's an adjective that describes something slightly sour or sharp tasting. Imagine tasting something that makes you pucker up just a bit. Think of it as the baby brother of acidic. While acidic foods might make you wince, acidulous foods are just tangy enough to be interesting. While acidic might burn your tongue, acidulous is more like a tangy lemonade, refreshing and slightly sharp, but not overwhelming. But wait, there's more to acidulous than just food. This word can be used in various contexts. You can use it to describe personalities and remarks too. It's a great way to add some flavor to your descriptions. Imagine someone making a slightly sarcastic comment. That's an acidulous remark. It's not full-on mean, just a bit sharp and witty. It's the kind of remark that makes you think, ouch, that was clever, but not necessarily hurtful. Here's an example. Her acidulous wit made the discussion lively. See how that works? It adds a layer of sophistication to your language. Now, why should you care about words like acidulous for the GRE? The GRE loves to test your understanding of nuanced words. It's not just about knowing definitions, it's about grasping subtle differences. This can make a huge difference in your verbal score. That's where acidulous comes in handy. Knowing such words can set you apart from other test takers. Having a rich vocabulary can seriously boost your GRE verbal score. It helps in sentence equivalence, reading comprehension, and text completion. Imagine breezing through those tricky verbal questions because you know the exact meaning and usage of words like acidulous. It helps in sentence equivalence, reading comprehension, and text completion. These sections can be challenging, but a strong vocabulary makes them manageable. Plus, knowing words like acidulous can make you sound super smart. Who doesn't want that? It's a great way to impress in both academic and professional settings. So, how can you remember acidulous? Try associating it with a mental image. Visualization can be a powerful tool for memory. Picture a lemon, tangy and just a bit sour. This image can help you recall the meaning of acidulous when you need it, or think of a witty friend who's always a little sarcastic. This association can make the word stick in your mind. These connections make the word stick. The more vivid the image, the better it will stay in your memory. To really nail it down, use acidulous in your daily conversations or writing. The more you use it, the more natural it feels. Try slipping it into a conversation with a friend or writing it in an essay. Practice makes perfect. The more you use it, the more natural it feels. Soon, it will become a regular part of your vocabulary. Alright, future GRE rock stars, that's it for today. Add acidulous to your vocab arsenal and you're one step closer to GRE success. Add acidulous to your vocab arsenal and you're one step closer to GRE success. Every new word you master brings you closer to your goal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more vocabulary hacks. We're here to help you every step of the way. Keep learning, stay sharp, and good luck on your GRE journey. Remember, every word counts. Catch you in the next video. Keep pushing forward and happy studying.